What is up, YouTube? So it has been a very long winter for me. Whoops. And no shooting, no gun shows, no purchases. So last month there was a gun show a couple hours from me, and I was like, my birthday's coming up. I'm going to a gun show. I'm gonna go see what I can find. Just to get over this not being able to shoot for almost 6 months. 5 or 6 months, and no gun purchases really. So went to the gun show. The Water Ninja actually picked up a nice Ruger 1022 with a laminated thumbhole stock, and then we went to and my buddy picked up a rifle there also. Went to a local gun shop, and then the Water Ninja picked up 1911, and I picked up this. It's the Glock 43X. And I know this ain't new enough for me. I had been toying with getting the Glock 43 eventually, but you know, having the Smith & Wesson as my carry gun and loving this, been carrying this since 2015. Knew that these came out and they had them in stock, so I just picked up one of these. Everyone knows this 10-round magazine capacity. These are, I guess they're kind of a cross between a Gen 4 and a Gen 5. They have some of the Gen 5 features. Did change the sights to Mariglow tritium night sights. But I didn't like the stippling on here. It was pretty slick. I've actually run about 100 rounds through this. Won't carry it until I get number one, these brand new sights sighted in, and a few more rounds through it. But so I picked up this leather grip cover, and that's about it. That's all I've done. Like I said, put 100 rounds through it. Loved it. Don't know if it's going to replace this, but I may rotate them. I did get a leather holster for this because that's the way I like to carry. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. Had the winter blues. Fixed it by going to a gun show and several gun shops. Handled lots of guns that day. It was awesome. And then picking up the new, I guess this has only been out a year. So the new Glock 43X. So thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. We'll see you.